Hi, I'm Angel. I've worked in the UAE for 14 years now since 2008, and suddenly I realized that I was not born to work, to pay bills, and then die. And you only live once. So join me on my travel adventures as I share with you the videos from start to finish. Kindly enjoy the videos and please like and subscribe so I can make more travel videos for you guys. Thank you.
A few moments later.
So okay, travel buddies, let me take you to the room tour. So first on the list is our toilet. So let's see the toilet. Okay, we have the standard hand towel. Okay, a zoom in mirror if you want to shave. So blow dryer, we have a hand and body wash, hand and body lotion, mirror, sink, and some stuff here. We have shaving kit, dental kit, sewing kit, sanitary bag, and shower cup. Okay, the toilet. And let's go to the shower. Okay, this is like a standard shower. We have again here a conditioner, shampoo, hand and body wash, and towel. So next on the list is the closet. Let's check out the closet. So here, as we open, so the closet, we have like a safe. Okay, if you have any jewelries. Fortunately, I don't have any jewelries. So there's an iron. Okay, so there's a weighing scale there, and then we have some hangers here. Okay, like the ironing board. Okay, that's it. Okay, we have a full-size mirror here. Then we have another mirror there, and here let's check out like the living room. So we have some free coffee, electric kettle, some cups, coffee cups, some mineral water. Okay, we have flat screen TV, telephone. Okay, this is like the working area. It has a mirror. So let's see now the view from the back side. So it's just some like common buildings, and there is like a sandstorm today, so the view is not that good. Actually, the front view of the hotel is very nice because we will be seeing the Museum of the Future. So in front of Crown Plaza, in front of this hotel is the Museum of the Future. So here we have a sofa and a table and a bed. Okay, this is like a queen size bed, and of course for the bed softness check, let's see if the bed is soft. So this is the bed softness check. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's soft.
2 hours later.
So travel buddies, we're going down now to the restaurant to have our a dinner buffet. So I will share with you the different set of menus and food there. So hope you'll continue to enjoy the video. Okay guys?
The next day.
So good morning travel buddies. We had a nice sleep, And now, since it's still early in the morning, let's go for a walk in Sheik Zayed Road, Dubai, so you can see the beautiful buildings. And after like a morning walk, we'll go straight to the restaurant for our buffet breakfast. Okay?
"2,000 years later."
So, good morning, travel buddies. I'm going to show you the different food here in the buffet breakfast. So, enjoy.
A few moments later.
So, travel buddies, this concludes our vlog regarding our overnight stay here in Crown Plaza, Dubai. And for my personal rating, I will give this hotel a 9 out of 10. Why? Because it is very accessible. You just have to go down to the Emirates Tower metro station and it's a 2 minutes walk. And opposite of this hotel, you will see the most beautiful building in the world. It's called the Museum of the Future of Dubai. And the staff are very hospitable and friendly. The food is superb. I enjoyed the dinner and breakfast buffet. And the swimming pool is awesome because it is overlooking the Museum of the Future of Dubai. It's very Instagram worthy. So travel buddies, I request that you continue to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Angels Travel TV at iba pa, so I can make more travel videos for you guys in the future. So, see you on the next vlog.